beautiful people.
We are so excited today. Megan's very excited too. Guys, we are doing a super fun collab with our sweet friends, the Crazy Middles.
So
and
excited.
this is gonna be really cool because the kids are cooking dinner for us tonight, guys. We don't even have to make dinner. This is like the best thing I've ever heard of.
I love it.
So we're gonna introduce you guys to our friends and then we're going to get started on dinner and it's gonna be a super fun day.
Roll that beautiful Crazy Middles footage.
Hi everyone! We are so excited to be joining with our friends the Millers today.
We are the Crazy Middles. So we actually have a passion for adopting just like they do. We have adopted 19 children from foster care.
We have 21 kids total.
Yes.
We are so excited today to be able to do this challenge with the Millers because guess what? We don't have to make dinner! Woo-hoo! The kids are going to be making the dinner tonight. I cannot wait to see what they choose.
We have no idea what we are gonna make our parents, and hopefully they eat it because Lizzie tends to burn things. Yeah, that's so true. So don't forget to check out our channel, Crazy Middles, and see what we made them and if they ate it or not.
Are you guys ready to make dinner for us?
Yeah!
Woo! Is it gonna be good?
Yeah!
We hope it will be.
We hope it will be good. I'm sure it will be amazing. Reese had a really great idea to make what?
I think we're making chicken pot pie.
Yes.
So I've been seeing that a lot on TikTok recently, and I got like a frozen one, and it was disgusting. I got that. So
Yeah.
I thought we should make it from scratch, so it would be better.
Yeah, this is gonna be super, super yummy. I'm excited to see how it turns out. And also, I'd like to say thank you to each and every one of my children for making me dinner. This
we
is
don't have to
such a
cook
treat.
it.
And
Woohoo!
also, I'm sorry if you get poisoned.
Oh my God. I think it'll be a little better than that.
Do you
It'll be
just over
good.
there like dripping out the poison like
This is intentional poison.
As long as we cook the chicken well. No Tide Pods. All right, guys. Well, I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm going to turn the camera.
Parents out of the kitchen.
Parents out of the kitchen.
Parents out of the kitchen. Kids
All right.
Teens take over the vlog. Kids take over the vlog. Yes.
Woo! We're trusting you with our lives.
So we got a
Camera. Okay, so first things first, we gotta get the ingredients.
Well, the one makes the ingredients.
That's great.
Might be an important.
Are we sure we want the ingredients? If you guys are new to my video, these are your videos. I just put them. If
Here,
you guys
switch
have
my face
seen
off,
my
switch
two
your face.
videos, if you guys have seen my videos, then go subscribe to them if you're new to them.
Okay, so we have all of the ingredients here, but it also says we need onions, and I don't like onions, so we're gonna skip that.
Hi guys, we are getting pie crusts. It's on the other. Oh. Wow, so easy.
Wow, so easy.
So easy.
All right, first things first, we have to wash our hands because we don't want salmonella.
Already done.
Salmonella is like when you don't wash your hands and like from eggs, you can get really sick and get.
You could have like a pee-wee-ya.
Yeah. The chicken right now, and once that's done, we're going to shred it up and then mix it with all of these ingredients to make the filling, and then it'll be done.
So let's do it.
Let's do it. We also got some substitutes for some stuff. It was calling for like regular milk, so we use oat milk because we are dairy free for the most part. So we're doing that, and then we have this pan.
And you use this.
Why is it so
That's right, to line it with the dough, which we got pre-packaged because we are not bakers. like stir in some of the ingredients like the flour and the butter. And then once that's done, then we'll put the chicken and the veggies in it. So just a lot of steps, but it's fine. You know what? I really want to work at like Olive Garden because then I can just do this all day long. More Parmesan? More? More? Is that enough? Are you sure? Okay. I like your style.
Good one.
Now we gotta stir in the milk and the broth.
Oh, you look so scared. Well, he's next to a boiling pot. It looks like gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
Oh. Yeah, we're really good at this. Maybe extra buttery. Alright, we think the chicken's done. Well, cut it open and make sure it's ready.
Need a little bit.
That's fine, that's cooked.
Also, keep in mind that you're also gonna be cooking it in the
Yeah, and it's gonna cook more. Yeah, that's good. Alright.
I make it.
While they're shredding the chicken, we're gonna put the mixed vegetables into the broth stuff that we made. Honestly, I would eat this. It looks like an actual soup.
It looks so good.
I wonder if it, should we actually try it?
Yes, we should.
Okay, we're gonna try it. Bro, this is really good.
Another one.
Really good.
Kira.
No.
I'm trying.
Kira, no.
Also, yes, we shared a spoon. It's fine. We're siblings. It's not. Well,
They're gonna love this.
I'm so excited. This looks really good, and usually I mess things up in the kitchen, but it's looking pretty promising. All right, we need 5 cups of chicken, but I can't find the
Don't eat it.
1 cup thing, so we're having to use the 3rd again. So, almost 3, right?
It's raining.
Wait. Yeah, they count.
This looks so good.
It looks like real chicken pie, bro.
Alright guys, the oven just beeped and it is the moment of truth. We're gonna take this thing out and see how the kids did. I can't wait, it smells amazing. So here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. I think Lincoln is excited as the rest of it. That looks amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. That looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Good job, guys. Whoa, buddy. Lincoln's like, I want to, you're in my way, Dad. Aw, thank you so much. He just smells my cheek. It's amazing. You gotta come check this out.
It looks
It looks as good as it smells.
Guys, well done.
Now if only,
Wow, this is awesome.
yeah.
Burn it.
It didn't burn
It
it.
has not been burned.
Hopefully it doesn't taste horrible though.
The look on his face, you're like, Dad.
It's not gonna taste horrible, Dad. That's not possible.
Okay,
No
so
problem.
Let's plate this up and let's give it a taste. and
Let's
see how
do
it
it.
is.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
okay.
that's just the layer. That's the fault line. That's where the earthquake will happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This little,
It's never be like.
watch out, it's a little hot.
There you go.
Oh, it's very runny.
Ooh.
I hate that word.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's because I added too much butter.
Ooh. I don't know if you could ever add too much butter though. If it's nice and
Yeah,
buttery.
that's an oxymoron.
But that's
There's
like
no
a
such
lot
thing.
of butter.
Yeah, you ready to eat some food?
Yes, you are. Yeah.
Okay,
Y'all,
try
it's
it.
so good.
It's really good.
So good.
It's
so good.
It's actually really good.
Oh wow.
Like it, Liam?
I made it.
Amazing.
It's good.
Just taking all the credit down there. I made an amazing one.
He was like, I made it.
I mean,
We made an amazing papaya.
do you like it, Lincoln? Good. Good.
That's like the Miley Cyrus Hannah Montana moment where it's like, I didn't even have it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Wow, guys, this is so good.
It's really
So
good.
good.
Thanks for making dinner.
And waffle. We
It
did
is
that.
really buttery.
Crust is so good.
Yeah, I'm good with
I
that.
love it.
Jude's like, I'm getting seconds.
It's so good. I will be in it.
Jude's like, I'm a growing boy. I will eat my fits.
Okay, guys, so we are super impressed with how well the kids did. They made the best chicken pot pie I think I've ever tasted, and
They're
I'm
little
not.
chefs.
They really are. I'm not even exaggerating. It is so good. We're so proud of these kiddos.
Yeah.
And you guys don't forget to check out the Crazy Middles channel as well. I know that they have some really fun stuff going on over there, and they are such a sweet, sweet family. So we can't wait to see what they've come up with. But this was super fun, guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you guys in our next vlog.
See you guys
Bye.
later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Lee.
For your name's sake, you will lead me